Am I the only officer in LSPD? Okay, I was gonna say.
Alright, cool. We should be live now. Everything should be Gucci in that Gucci. Javi, I like how you put I shared this thing with you so you can give me ideas, and you have not written shit. You haven't written anything.
Listen, man.
It's
not my job.
You went
That
right
is
the
not
fuck
my
to
job.
bed, bro. You went right the fuck to bed.
That is not my job.
That is not my. Okay. Cool.
Wait, when? When did I go straight to bed?
Did you go straight to bed, or what did you do?
Today?
No, when I shared you the thing. When I shared you this file. I forgot what happened, but like you stopped like doing anything related to it. But anyways. Okay, so let's see what we. Oh, Javi, I can test this. Oh, you've already tested it with me. Right, you did this yesterday. I forgot. Star. Okay, so right now. Here, extras, stupid Twitch projects, stupid Twitch dots. Stupid Twitch. I need a. Is there anything in this resources folder? No. I don't think I'm gonna use this. Oh, my Twitch chat. You stupid. You stupid. Yo, what's up, typical Ford guy? How you been? How have you been? Oh, that sounds like I want my Twitch chat to pop up here. Okay. Alright, cool. It's cool beans. Javi, can you check the audio for me, please?
Yeah, 1 second.
To see how it is. Typical Ford guy, or I guess CJ. CJ, like, can you let me know, like, how's the audio? Is it too loud? Too soft? Let me know. Let me know. Okay. Let's see here. Users.txt. So we have ZeldaTechie here, D-Rock, we have Hobby, and we have Shiba. Pretty good. Okay, cool. Oh, you've been doing pretty good, I think. Whoops. Never mind. Okay. Well, I mean, regardless, that's good. That's good. Glad you're doing pretty good. Let's see. Okay, so I think that's okay. We'll just leave it there for now. If people run out of points, I'll just reset the points manually, just for right now. But let's see. What is left to do? I was doing something for a long time since I left you. Yeah, man, been a long time since I've seen you in chat, man. Where you been? Where you or what you've been up to? Oh, I was doing the profiles. That's right. I think that's the last thing I was doing. Man. For those of y'all that are watching that have been watching my streams these past few days, I know it's really, really late. It's like 9:30 p.m. I apologize for that. I've had a long day. I actually had an interview today for an IT job, and I got it. So I went to go celebrate. We went to Chili's. I feel like I'm really, really like stuffed right now. So I apologize if I like sound like I'm falling asleep. That's because I am. But it was so fucking good. Like, you don't even know. It was pretty good. Okay, command, points handler. Oh. What was I gonna do with points handler? Why did I make a points handler? Did I make a points handler and like all of a sudden is that actually like... Oh, thank you, CJ. What the fuck? Why did I make a points handler and then just like not do anything with it? Where do I remove all the command executor? Yeah, here. Let's go to the user manager real quick. If I have points handler, should I? Should I really? I don't think I really need that points handler. Like, has enough points, remove points, add new user, add existing user, update user. Yeah. I don't think I'm ever. Well, I am gonna add points. Okay, yeah. Here, let's do this. Let's move this function, this remove points function, to the command. Let's see, what the fuck do we go? Let's do this real quick. Alright. I watched Hobby for a few minutes the other day, then had to get back to work. Okay. When was this?
Probably like 2 days ago. Or yesterday.
Was that the last time you Was that the last time you streamed?
Yeah.
Points, handler. Points.
Oh.
Boom. Point. Handler is equal to this dot get component of type points handler blah 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 blah. Go away. It was a morning stream, can't remember if it was yesterday or the day before. Oh, that was when we were playing Rainbow. Yeah, I know what day you're talking about, yeah. Does this retrieve?
Well, it was yesterday because we were doing the new update.
Was it yesterday?
The update came out yesterday.
I guess it was yesterday. Maybe it was yesterday. Shit. I don't even know. But anyways, yeah, I know what stream we're talking about. Let's see, point handler is equal to this component points handler, blah blah blah, retrieve users. Okay, so now instead of remove points, it's gonna be point handler dot remove points. It's inaccessible due to protection. How about you fuck up? How about you like
Listen.
hello? Oh, CJ, thanks for the host, man. I really appreciate that. Good shit. I haven't heard that sound in a while. Holy shit. Like,
Nobody
I stopped
wants to host you.
Well, I was gonna. Thanks. I have the same sound for follows and everything. Hobby, thanks. I really appreciate that.
Anytime, dude.
Supportive friend. You know what? Fuck this point sound, bro. Fuck this. Like, I've already integrated this shit in here, so might as well just get rid of it. Fuck it. It's not gonna be that much of a deal. It's like two different. It's just literally two. Whatchamacallit? Two functions: add points, remove points, and add points. That's really it. It's not gonna be too big of a deal if I don't have a separate class for that shit. Delete that shit. Yep, totally. All right. So, reload solution. Go ahead and do that. Oh. Actually, I'll be right back. Let me go get my cup of water. Hold on.
Is the type of dude to get water at a restaurant because he's too broke? JK, I do that all the time because I am broke.
Javi.
Yeah.
So apparently there's like a SpongeBob fan art contest.
Oh no.
I know. Brave's like, let's do something and make money. I'm just like, I don't know, dude. I don't know. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to think about that. But let's see here. What are we doing next? We are doing the profile manager. So I want to be able to make profiles here. Let's see. How would I want to do this? How would I want to do it? Let's make, because we already have a command. We already have a command object or struct or whatever. is this. We can use it. Basically, what I want to do is I want to have a profile, and each profile has a separate list of commands or whatever. Oh, did I leave and I got cheers? That's weird. You typed in cheer 1, but I don't think you actually sent any cheers.
Cucked.
I haven't been on Twitch in a while. I forgot how to work all this shit. You're That's funny, because like I see cheer 1, I was like, what the fuck is that?
Let's see.
Okay, so let's see. We need a list of profiles that we can add to, where it stores a list of commands. Okay. Essentially, what I want then is a command manager. Where's the retrieve commands function? Okay, well the retrieve commands function is gonna just grab a profile. Okay. Yeah, the profile manager doesn't have to worry about like lists of profiles or whatever. All the profile has to worry about is creating the file and then creating the list of fuck, sounds like a bug on my fucking arm. Creating the list in the file, but nothing about like loading in the file, loading in all the shits. Okay, so yeah, gotcha. So, all we need to do is have a few functions. So let's do void create profile. Bam. Oops. Create profile. How do we create this profile, you ask? Good question, because I forgot. How do I write this? CJ, is there music playing? I just want to make sure there's music playing, because I can't hear this music, but I just want to make sure that it is playing. Excuse me. Create file. C#. Ow. That hurt. Okay, no, see also kind of person. Both messages will create file if it doesn't exist, so you don't have to. Okay. Alright. Yeah, there's music playing. Okay, cool, perfect. Thank you. See ya. Okay, so if I use any one of these, that'll be fine. Okay. Alright, okay. So, I want to say, so if I want to create a profile, and then I want to give it a list of commands. I'm going to do that. Am I going to be like, is it going to take a dictionary? Command, or maybe command manager dot command. Yeah, there you go. That's what I'll take. Oh, but it's only one of them. I want a lot of them. So do I want an array of them, or should I just take up a full string for it? Oh, I never actually explained what I was doing. At least not in this stream, because like it's already been like, this is the 4th day that I've been working on this shit. So yeah. Anyways, basically what I'm doing is I'm making a program where Twitch chat is basically able to fuck with my computer. So for example, like right now we have it to where if they type in a command, the start menu gets pressed, like the start button, the key. Like it essentially pretends like that key is being pressed. Right now it works. Essentially what I'm doing right now is I'm basically making profiles. That way, like, the user can say, okay, you know what? I want to make the Fortnite profile. And if I'm playing Fortnite, it's not on right now, Javi, you stupid shit. Yeah, it won't work. Like, if... so, like, if the player's playing... Fuck! Can't speak. If the streamer is playing Fortnite and they have the Fortnite profile on, they'll be able to have a list of commands that work only for Fortnite, and so on and so forth. If they have Rocket League, they'll be able to have a certain list of commands for Rocket League. There. That's it. Okay, so essentially what the profile manager is going to do is it's going to take should I take an array? Array of commands? Yeah. Command. Yeah. That's what it's going to take. Let's make this public. And let's make sure that only the command manager gets to do that. Yeah, because the command here. Command executor and then profile manager. No. No. Let's not connect these two together at all. So when we're going to create a profile command list. That's going to take an array of a bunch of commands. And each command is going to take a name, an action, and a number of points required.
1 second.
You're fine. So, and what we're going to do is for each command manager.command command in command list, we're going to do the following. We're essentially going to be writing down, okay, so string line is equal to, oh shit, okay, not a for each loop, but I need just a regular for loop. I'm not sure how this whole bit thing works anymore. If I'm not mistaken, all you do is just click on the bits or whatever. Oh, I can't drop share in my own channel. What? Okay, well basically you click this little bit shit right here. If you have the bits, if you paid for them already, then you'll be able to just like flop them in. If you haven't paid for them, then it won't work. I'm pretty sure that's how it works. Okay, int hello, int count is equal to 0, count hello, fuck my life, count is less than command list dot length count plus plus. Okay, so string line is equal to count, command list at count dot, and then we're going to say, okay, so we need the name to be public as well. So dot name plus command list at count dot points required, command list dot count, command list at count dot, and then the other one was action, right? Name action was X flat. Okay, and I want to make sure that I put a space in between so I can cool. Okay, and then what I want to do is I want to say file dot append, system dot io dot file dot append all lines. What the fuck? Is it append all text or append all line? Where do I write? Command executor. No. Command manager. Oh, it's user manager. Append all text. Okay, yeah. So plus environment, or is it system dot environment? Yeah. Dot new line. Append all text, and then what I'm gonna do is gonna say the same shit that I have here. Or no. Where is it? Command executor. Command manager. Here. Boop.
Can you respond to a panorama tonight, or
string profile name.
copy 166, go to respond panorama between 1019 and 1025 for possible.
Okay. What is this? Oh, right.
Negative 10 bucks on me or not.
One. String command is equal to da. And then da. Perfect. So now I can create a profile. Why does it say test then has 2 coins? What do you mean? Are you talking about here? I don't think these are 2 coins. This is just a medal. That's basically because Javi has like the most bits. He has 2055 bits. Javi, say hi.
Metro 120.
Oh, never mind. He's busy. He's.
Show me on a signal 24 expired parking meter, no, East Carcer Way.
Yeah, but test 1 is because Javi was being a dick. He was like typing test 1 and like, because that's one of the commands or whatever for this program, and he was trying to fuck with me, but he's stupid. In your redeem point thing. Redeem point thing. What are you talking about? Javi. You there?
Yeah, what's up?
What is CJ talking about?
I'm not sure how this whole bit thing works anymore. Why does it say test what then has 2 coins?
In your redeem coin.
Why does it say test then has 2 coins in the redeem coin thing? Redeem coin?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. Where the fuck is redeem coin?
Is it like your Streamlabs thing?
I don't think so. Oh, yeah. On the here.
Oh, yeah.
Right
It
here,
does say
you
test
click
and
on
it has
this
2.
and it says redeem rupees. You mean?
Yeah. Does it work?
Oh wait, is my
You gotta click it.
No. Wait, I thought I got rid of that. I thought I got rid of the test thing. No, don't use it. You fucker! You used it! Here, I'm gonna refund that real quick. No, don't use it! It doesn't do anything! Stop it! God damn it. It doesn't do anything. At least it should. I figured out what you were talking about here. It's because I was testing something out. We were trying to figure out how I was gonna. Oh my god, Javi. Why are you doing this? I don't even know where it is. Twitch extensions, overlays and loyalty, rewards. Here, I fucking turned that shit off. Fuck. Wait, can you still do it even though I just turned it off? Oh my god. Wait, no, I'm not receiving anymore. Lama, refund that shit. for fun, for fun, for fun. There you go. There, you can have all your rupees back. Oh my god, you son of a bitch. Sorry, okay, I figured out what you were talking about. Yeah, no, ignore that. Ignore that. What the fuck was I doing here? God damn it, y'all got me distracted. Y'all got me distracted. Okay, so essentially,
Metro
what
120.
this should do. Are you okay?
I'm gonna be back to 10-8, parking ticket written.
Are you okay? Okay. Good. So anyways, so essentially what this does is if I call this create profile command, it should create a new file if it doesn't exist, and if it does, or if it okay, perfect. I figured out I figured out a solution to the problem that I haven't had yet, but I probably will have eventually. Oh. There you go. So basically this command says, oh, does this profile exist? If the file exists, therefore the profile exists. If not, or if does profile exist, profile name, return, get out of there.
Wait, what? No, if the file exists, what do you mean? Like, the file has multiple profiles.
Hold on, what?
You said if the file exists and the profile exists. That's what you just said, right?
Yes.
But there's multiple profiles per file. So it's gonna exist, but it's not necessarily gonna mean that a profile exists.
Can you repeat that?
Okay, because you're saying that if the profile exists, or sorry, if the file exists and the profile exists, right? Like that's what you're trying
Yes, it should be 1-to-1.
But it's just gonna be one file containing a bunch of profiles, right?
No, it's one file containing a bunch of commands.
No, but okay.
Each profile is a different command list. It's a different file. Each profile is a different file.
But by profile, you're talking user profiles?
Huh?
Are you talking about user profiles, or what are you talking about?
Yes, user profile.
Like Javi, One Kenobi, Shiba.
No. I'm talking about
Oh,
like.
what are you talking about?
I'm talking about like game profiles, like Fortnite. You know?
Oh, that's game profile. Not play. I literally just asked you. I asked you player profiles, and you're like, yeah.
Oh,
And then
well,
you're like,
I mean
game
like
profile.
the profiles for the player, the person that's using the game, or program or whatever.
But like, what do you mean? Like, is there gonna be different profiles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so like that way, like if someone's playing Fortnite and they only want certain commands to be used in Fortnite, you know, they can do that.
Metro 120 is gonna be 10-7, 1042. Thanks for dispatching.
So if does profile exist, profile name. If this exists, which technically this should never happen, we should never call the create profile function if that profile already exists, because we're not creating a profile, we're editing it. If it already exists, then we shouldn't be creating a new profile. It's, you know what? Let me just rename this to create new profile. Create new profile. Just to make sure that it's stated that it's creating new profile. Public void, just remove profile. Just so we can make this string profile, just profile. How do I just delete a file? Is there like a command for that? Are you okay?
Oh, yeah, I got hiccup mid laugh, but no. One of the chicks, like one of the AIs and or NPCs in GTA is like, "Hey, honey boo, you look great," and then some other person's like, "I don't care."
Lamau, dude, system that
Random.
that
It was
exists.
so random.
Oh,
You know.
if does profile exist? Profile name.
Alrighty.
So if it exists, then we'll just say system.io file delete. And we're gonna delete that profile if we want to. Copy pasta. Perfect. Okay.
Where's my clone here?
So this would create a new profile, this would remove a profile, and then this checks if the profile exists. Now, let's say we want to add a command, you know, or whatever. How are we gonna do that? I think we're probably just gonna like erase and then. Yeah. So, public void edit profile. Rip. Okay, essentially what we're going to do is we're going to take a string profile name, string called profile name, and then we're going to take the command manager command array, call it new command list, and then we're basically going to do, we're going to delete the profile, and then we're going to create a new one. Yeah, that's essentially what we're going to do. We're going to say remove profile, profile name, create new profile, profile name, and command, and new command list. Is that inefficient? Probably. Is there a better way? More than likely. Am I going to look for it? No. I'd rather not. That's basically how it's going to work. Just remove the profile that currently exists right now, grab the new command list, and then create a new one out of that. No one will ever know. That's essentially what I did. Just remove it and then run a new one in. No one will ever know. Everyone will think, oh, you know, it gets saved. No. It doesn't get saved. It just gets deleted and removed. Put a new one. Okay. So far, so good. Just create a new profile. So, how are we going to do this? How are we going to do this? What calls this profile manager? I guess just buttons. Yeah, I think we're gonna have to start doing UI stuff now. Like basic UI, yeah, but still UI. Because like everything in the background that has to do with chat is basically done. I can make your hand. Yeah, essentially that's what we're gonna do now. So, let's make a button. Or, how do I want to do this? Here, let's go into Paint. All right. So how I want to do this is, let's say this is the window. Yes, I know my drawings are beautiful. Thank you. Give me 1 second. I need to respond to this. Sorry about that. Sorry about fuck my life. I just struck my phone. Rudely. Well, my phone just fell over. It's okay. It's okay though. Nothing happening. Hobby's playing on OCRP? Yes, he is. Is he streaming? No, he's not. Okay. So it's essentially what. Actually, I already have a picture of this. I'm retarded. Here? Yeah, here. This one. Haha! So this is so this is the window. Essentially what I want to do is I want to have the game. This is the profile or whatever. Name it whatever the fuck you want. And then the command list here with the number of points that that coincides with. Okay, so no, don't say that. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do just that. You know what? Let's go. So, how do I make a drop down list? Unity drop down list. Not there in the UI. Oh. Standard drop down that represents a list of options. Drop down can depend on is selected. Oh, wait, can I just straight up do that? Can I just straight up do it? Game UI. Oh! I can. Noise. Noise. Alright. Alright, okay. Oh, so you know what? Here, let's move this way first. Let's turn on the UI. Text. Okay. In that text, it's gonna say game profile or current game profile, whatever it is. Just like game profile. And let's make it white so it's visible. Let's move it this way. Yeah. Let's put this. Oh, no. Don't do that. Right. This. Okay. When I press play, will this show anything? By default, this is option ABC. Okay. And how would I edit this drop down? Ah, okay. Okay, so how do I edit options? Okay. Drop down, my drop down, string, string. Index, vector, drop down, game object. Clear the old options. Okay. Create a new option for the drop down menu. So 1. M new data as new. What is M underscore new data? This has never been in the language. Is this JavaScript? Is this your... What do you mean new data? Am I tripping, dude? Like, where has... Oh! Lamau? Never mind. You're smart. It would take me like 5 months just to finish the thing. I mean, it's like I've done this for a while already, so it's kind of like second nature. Yeah, kind of like second nature. I mean, if you like learn it, you know, it won't take you that long. It's not complicated at all. It's just like learning how to code is really what the issue is going to be. Okay, so here it is. M underscore new data. Is equal to new drop down dot option data. Okay. M new data dot text is equal to option 1. M messages dot add, which is M messages is what? The list of drop down option data. Okay. Option 1, option 2, and then for each drop down dot option data message and M messages. Each drop down, yeah. M drop down dot options dot add message. M index is equal to messages dot count minus 1. Okay. So that's how I do it. Okay, yeah, that's actually that's perfect. That's perfect. Yeah. This ongoing function is here for quick demonstration. Blah blah blah. Okay. That's great. I'm glad I could do that. So in runtime, it'll do that. Okay, so essentially the first thing that's going to happen is when it starts, I want to read in from all the profiles that exist and edit this. So let's do that. Let's do that first. Let's be able to select what I want to do. Okay, boom. Hello. Boom. Here. Been clicking the wrong thing this whole time. Okay, so I need a drop using Unity.ui. Yes. Boom. Drop down edit. Is it drop down editor? Or just drop down? Just drop down, my guy. Drop. What the fuck is a drop down editor? Custom editor for the drop, I guess. They changed the name of it. That's kind of stupid. I mean, I guess it's not stupid. It's just inconvenient, the fact that it's different now. So I'm gonna have to kind of adjust to that. That's fine though. Drop down profile drop down, because there's gonna be a lot of. Actually, there's only gonna be one drop down. And then in the public void. Actually, no, don't make it public. Just void start. Rip. Actually, no. Just go home, and then just do public drop-down editor, profile drop-down, and then in here, once I put the profile manager into the main profile manager into the main camera there. Boom, it's gonna ask for a drop-down. And say, hey, use this one. Okay, why are you gonna work? Using Unity Engine.ui. Because I'm retarded, that's why. Unity Engine, because I put Unity Editor.ui, not Unity Engine.ui. Because there's two different things. Is it stupid? No. Am I stupid? Yes.
Yes.
Shut the fuck up, dude. You're all leaving. Okay, now I can do that. Bam! Ooh, get roasted. Okay. Eventually, I'm gonna do a load profiles. Should I do a load profile button? No. No, it's fine. Public. I'm sorry. Void start. In the start function. I don't need the start function because I've already put the thing in there. Okay. Sorry. Actually, no. Yes, I do. Void start. What I need to do is load profiles. Load all the profiles. How do I get a list? Let's see. C# list of files in directory. Why did I do that? Directory info D is equal to new directory info. Assuming test is your folder. Okay. File info array files is equal to d.get files. Okay. .txt. Okay, all the txt files. For file info file let me. Okay. This saves them into a string, which is kind of stupid. Well, I mean, not stupid. It's just not what I want. Didn't Javi mute his mic? No, he didn't. He's oddly quiet. I'm gonna have this load profiles thing, so let's just go ahead and put it on top. Void load profiles. Boom, boom, boom. Essentially, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do exactly what this guy did. Is that already a thing that I can do? Directory info. No. System.io.directory info. Oh, there you go. I guessed. Directory info. Info is equal to new directory info. System.io.directory info. And the string path, which is in streaming assets. Oh no. No. Fuck. I'm gonna have to make a folder. Ugh. Rip. Okay, let's make a folder. That's fine. Folder. Profiles. Boom. Okay. Fuck. I'm gonna have to change all these here. Let's go. Yeah. Here. Control F. And then what I want to replace it with is the same thing, except with the extra added file into it. Wait, can I? Control V. Rip. Control V, and then instead I'm gonna add the folder profiles into that. It's a profiles folder. Okay. Go ahead and rip. Current document, all open documents. All of the things that are referencing the profile name, I want you to replace. Touch case, full word, regular expressions, replace next, replace all. Boom. Boom. Okay, save that shit. Did it move anything over here? It should, actually. It should have done in the command manager here. Yeah, it didn't. But it only does it once, I think. No, it doesn't. I think that's it. The command manager is the only one that really reads into the profiles, but even then it just reads it once. This is what's really important. Okay, so now I can just copy paste. Blam. Blam. But instead of this .txt, just go into the profiles folder. Bam. Bam. Slam. Okay, and then we're gonna do a file info array. Oh, sorry. System.io.file info array. Yep. I'm gonna make an array of that. Call it files is equal to new. Oh, sorry. It's info.get files. Boom. Sorry. No. Do. Does it take anything? Anything ending in .txt? Technically, this should all be ending in .txt, but let's assume that they're not. So it's just asterisk.txt. Perfect. All right. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna iterate through that, and then just put them into the drop-down menu. So we're gonna do profile drop-down .clear options. Boom. Deploy the options just to make sure. In any case, they shouldn't be there. But profile drop-down .clear options. Then we're gonna go here. Let's see. We've already gotten the component technically in the this over here. I shouldn't be doing that. Actually, that's fine. Because like the drop-down component, it's like its own object. Yeah. Yeah, like the drop-down should be just worried about being a drop-down, not like having any other shit. Okay. So fetch the drop-down game object. Create a new option for the drop-down menu, which reads option 1, and add to messages list. Honestly, I just want to add it on the fly. That would be fine. So we're going to clear the options and then for int count is equal to 0. Count is less than files.length. Count plus. Bam, 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 bam. Okay. We're going to do the following. We're going to do the following. What is this? Something about option data. Okay. Drop down dot option data. Do we give it a name? Yes. New data is equal to to say it's just new drop down dot option data. Okay. Yeah. New drop down dot option data. Constructor. Boom. Does it have any other constructors actually? Does it have anything else? Like, can I just ask for who it does? Take a sprite. A tapestry. Okay. Create an object representing a single option from the drop-down list with an image up next to it. Okay. Oh. So, if I just say new option data with a string in it, I don't have to do data.text, I just have to get the string. Okay. It'll be files at count. Count. Oh. Wait, what's this give? Dot name. I'm curious to see if that gives me .txt at the end. If it does, I need to remove the last 4 letters of it, which is not a huge deal, but I would like to know. Let's go ahead and just test it out right now. So I create a new data with the same thing, and then I want to just m underscore drop down, which is that's their drop down, and then just dot add, and then message, which is the an item drop down. Okay, so and then I want to do profile drop down dot add options new data. Oh, can I just add a list? Can I add like an array of it? Add options, a list of drop down data, a list of options, or literally I can take. Okay. So it takes that. So then let's do that then, just so we can just call this once, because I'm sure that might be memory intensive, which is why. Okay, so then just do profile data. Sorry, profile dropdown dot add options, and then we're gonna add the thing here. So yes, that's gonna give us an error. That's fine. Let's do list of dropdown dot option data list. What the fuck? That's an actual thing. Dropdown dot option data list. What does it say? Class used internally to sort a list of options for the dropdown list. Huh. Let's use that instead. Option list. Or not option list, profile list. Okay. And then profile list dot add. I can't really. The list of options for the dropdown list. Get set. Oh, fuck. Man, that was a waste of time. Fine. List of dropdown data. Dropdown dot dropdown dot option data. Sorry. Call it profile list. Profile list dot add new data. Boom. Okay, and then at the very end, add the profile list into the options menu. Now, if I'm not mistaken, if I press play right now, this should work, but the problem is there is no options to be had. Actually, what? Argument, exception, argument can be no parameter name collection. Oh. Really? Okay, so profile list. Or can I just do it up here? Let's do it to new list of that. Can I do that? Oh. Boom. Now will it work? Should be fine. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't complain anymore. Great. Nothing there. But there's always buts. Buts are nice sometimes. Let's create, let's say, Fortnite.txt. Let's say Rocket League.txt. Let's say Call of Duty.txt. And let's say, fuck, what's another game? Clash of Clans.txt. Why? I don't know. If I press play right now, those four options should pop up. Ah, and it does say .txt, so I will have to delete them. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. So I want to say, well, let's see, a string file name is equal to files at count dot name. And I'm going to say file name is equal to file name dot substring, and it's going to go from 0 to length, which is file name dot length -4. And then I'm going to take this off and then say file name. Boom. Let's try that. Press play. Call of Duty, Clash of Clans, Fortnite, Rocket League. Pat on the back for me. Pat on the back for me. Let's go. Okay, good shit, good shit. Perfect. That's great. I am gonna get... Oh, wait, I have more water here. Really, Link? Really? Really? He ate my sock. I'll be right back. I am going to go get water and contemplate whether or not I should keep this dog. That's a joke, but still. Ugh. I'll be right back. Ugh. Whoa. Man. There you go. Excuse me. Alright. Now, where were we? We were here. So, let's see. Let's make a, hello? There you go. Let's make a little button to create profiles. Let's see here. Button. There you go. Button there. Let's put it right here. Let's anchor it right next to that shit. The button should say in there, create profile. There you go. And that create profile button should have a little pop-up here. Or whatever. So see if they'll create it. Yeah. Yeah, let's do that. So, let's see here. I really want to create this. Let's create a list of all the possible commands that they can do. Totally beating. I want to do this. Yeah. Hello? Hello? Javi?
Hmm?
Hello?
What?
What have you been doing this whole time?
Watching a video.
I thought you were asleep. You've been like eerily quiet this whole time. It's fucking weird. But okay. Anyways, let's see. So now we need to create a profile. How do I want to do this? A little pop-up shows up, or whatever, asking for a profile name. So let's create an empty game object real quick. Create empty. Call it. Come on. Call it create profile menu. Boom. And essentially what that's gonna do, let's just put it in here. Let's create a game object, call it UI. UI, just image for right now, and it'll be a blank because whatever. You know, and then we'll center it on the screen. Center on the screen, let's make it bigger. Like so, I guess. Yeah, let's just do that for right now, it's fine. I guess just make it, I wanna see if I can make it as wide as I can. Look, it'll stretch. Yeah, there you go. It'll like stretch according to that thing. Real quick, this should be anchored to the top right. Top right. This should also be anchored to the top right. And this should be anchored to the top right. Just because, you know, I'm trying to be a little bit stubborn here. That's fine. And in fact, I can stretch this out all the way to the edges, and then it'll be infinitely. Yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. So, let's see here. So we're gonna add a inventory profile menu. Oh, did I add an image? Yeah, okay. Game object. What the fuck are you doing? Javi, what the fuck are you doing?
Hmm?
What the fuck are you doing?
Making a song.
Okay, you're just fucking smashing the keyboard. Oh, dude, Guess what happened right now? Link ate my sock. I turn around and he's like gnawing at the fucking sock. I'm just like, Link looks at me like immediately like, I didn't do it.
Can you dig it?
I know you did do it. Don't look at me with those puppy dog eyes. Okay, input field. So that is gonna go in dot. That input field. In placeholder text is going to say, not enter text, or just enter profile name. God damn it, I can't type right now. Okay. And then what's the text? Text is right there. Okay. Let's
Just 80.
boom. Oh, rip, you can't even see it. Oh, I can change the color. Okay. Let's change the color to this. No. What the fuck am I doing? Oh, that's the text. Placeholder color is gray. Nope, that's not what I want. Input field. Black? Can I just make it black? Straight up black? Nope. Can I make this straight up black? Can't. It's fucking weird. Undo that. Undo that. Undo that. Okay, I guess I'll just change the image then. To like a gray, a black color, gray color. Unless like this isn't in the right order. That's probably it. Position Z is 0. I put it at 1. At 1. How do I get away from here? What the fuck? Why does this get rendered on top of everything? It shouldn't get rendered on top of everything. If I move this down, that doesn't get rendered on top of it. Yeah, what the fuck? Even if I do this, like it's way ahead, it just gets rendered over. It's really fucking weird. And there's like no ordering it. Oh. Oh, what the fuck? I didn't even do shit. Where's the fucking camera at? Oh, the camera's like all the way down here, I think. It's like really, really small. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's looking that way. Do it like that. Like, for some reason, it's just like getting drawn over. White. That doesn't do anything. Image type, slice fits into. Fuck. Let's figure that out real quick. Unity input field on image. I misput input. Whatever the fuck. Misspelled it. Should I just get rid of this? Yeah, I'll just get rid of this. Boop. That's fine. And then, here, let's just do 2D again. Or whatever, let's put it here. here. Why can't it anchor? Why is it anchoring to some weird shit?
Sorry I kept you waiting forever and a day. Now we're out here together with nothing
Okay,
standing
so let's
in
do
the
this.
way.
And let's
Can you
anchor it
feel the attraction?
here.
Feel the attraction.
Maybe it's just
Can you feel
let's make it longer.
between us?
Because just in case they want a really long profile name. And then I want to add a list of commands here. So we're gonna have to make a script for that. I want them to press a button, create a like type in the name here, and then have a button here that says like create add command. So let's add a game object here. Call it get a button. Sorry. Put it here. Let's just call it just to make sure. Let's just call it. But let's make sure that the text says add command. Boom. And when that button gets pressed, should I put it like here? Yeah, add command, and it'll add a new, like a drop down menu here. Yeah, it'll add a new drop down menu there. Or whatever, every time I press this button, drop down menu here. I guess 3 drop down menus. Or is it 2? Yeah, just like. It'd be 3. It'd be the name. It would be the action, which is essentially the command that they want to use, the key they want to press or whatever, and how many points is required. So let's do that. So let's essentially create 3 drop downs. Drop down. Drop down. Drop down. Okay. Let's make sure to spread them out here. Here. Let's center this one. Okay. Let's center this one, and then that will be the profile name. This would be the key that they press. Blam. So which drop zones do we have? This one, this one, this one. I want to move those 3 inside the create profile menu empty object. I'm going to move the phone a little bit because it's covering my screen and it's kind of annoying. Okay. Alright. And then this, let's add some text just to make sure that they know exactly what they're doing. Game object. Text. Yeah. Like that. Make it white.
No, she's always a son.
Who, right now?
Yeah. No, no. But I just broed her, dude. Fuck.
Command.
Cause on Friday we're gonna go see the Nun.
Oh,
Cause
Lamadi.
the scary movie, she's like, just don't get scared. I'm like, bro, no, I'll get scared, but like, I like getting scared.
Lamadi. It's like, I live for that. Okay, let's add a new one. Text. Under this one. Under this one.
Oh my god, it's so repetitive.
What is?
This song. The Where's My Mind?
Yo, dude, like, all songs are like that, bro. After a while, you kind of notice
No,
like,
but I
okay,
mean,
they play the
no,
same
no,
shit
no.
in
I
the
mean,
background.
this is repetitive. Like,
Oh yeah, that one especially is a lot more repetitive.
especially when you're focusing only on the guitar, because I'm charting it for Guitar Hero.
Yeah, it's
It's
essentially
like,
the same thing over and over again. Command name, and then it's gonna be key press or key to press, and then we're gonna do one more, Control D, and then points required, and then move it over.
How do I do it?
Perfect. So now what I want to do is I want to make a empty game object real quick. Call it new command. Boom. And I'm gonna get these 3 drop downs and move them over here. Oh shit. Move them over here. Bam. They're not visible, ZeldaTechie. I understand that. Because it's not under the canvas. If it's not under the canvas, it's not going to show up ever. So essentially what I want to do is I want to create a prefab. Let's go over here real quick. Go to assets. Right click, create folder. Prefabs. I might make more. I might not. Probably not. Hopefully not. Okay, and then boom, create prefab. There you go. Boom. So now every time I want to press this button, add a command, I basically just boop, 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 boop. And the I guess the UI editor or UI manager or whatever will take care of where it's placed. We'll see. We'll create one of the. It'll basically instantiate one of these things, and then make sure that it's under the canvas. Boom. How about 0, 0, 0? Okay, let's adjust this real quick. At least so the x-axis is adjusted just fine. In the
So
profile
weird.
menu. Okay, let's make sure to apply that. Cool. So every time I add a new command object into the create profile menu, it should automatically do that, and then I just want to say that I just want to adjust it depending on how many new commands there are. What happens if I add way too many? Like, how am I going to be going like up and down or whatever? Let's see, UI scroll bar. Let's figure out how that works. Unity scroll bar or scroll view. Scroll view. Let's see this real quick. Oh, shit, it's like a fucking.
View. So I'm going
rip,
to
it's
add
not
it.
gonna play for me. I'm not gonna be able to hear it. Rip and pepperoni. Really scroll view. Let's look at the scroll rectangle. Scroll rect can be used when content takes up a lot of space and you can spin a small area. Scroll rect provides functionality to scroll this content. Usually a scroll rect is combined with a mask in order to create a scroll view. The only scrollable content inside the scroll rect is visible. It can also be additionally combined with 1 or 2 scroll bars that can be dragged to scroll horizontally or vertically. Okay? Optionally, the scroll rect can be linked to a horizontal and or vertical scroll bar. These are typically placed in the hierarchy as siblings to the viewport, and when present, should be dragged into the horizontal scroll bar, vertical scroll bar, property, Scroll bars can be optional. Important elements in scroll view are the viewport, the scrolling content. The root game object is the scroll rect component. The viewport has a mask component. The viewport can be blah. All scrolling content must be chosen in a single content game object as a child's viewport. Content, okay. So then if I do scroll view, game object, UI, scroll, that's a scroll bar, scroll view. Okay. Let's put this in the create profile menu. Let's do this. Let's do this. Let's do this. Perfect. Essentially what I want to do is under that scroll view should be the content. So there's a viewport here, there's a content. If I drag this into the content, black. Doesn't show up. This is over there. Okay. So if I get this, let's move it. Aha! Okay, alright. I'm picking up what it's putting down. So if I move it on the X direction, here, let's put it down that way we can actually see. Move it in the X direction this much. Oh, it's a little too big. Okay, so let's edit this a little bit. Let's do this. Let's move this a little bit this way. Just move these. Pull. Rip. That and then do it with this. Like that. Oh, points required shouldn't be this. Yeah, fuck. It should be. Wow, I fucked this up completely. Okay, let's create a text. Put that in there. Boom. Okay. No. UI. Input field. There you go. Man, it's late and like I'm feeling the remnants of that food coma. Not the remnants, like I'm feeling the effects of that food coma that I'm like starting to fall into. So okay, we got the input field there. Key to press, that one will be a drop down list. UI drop down. Put that in here. Oops, don't do that. The drop down, that one would be the new command one. There you go. Boop. That. Oh no, just like that. You can move these a little bit. It's fine. That. Boom. Points required, and then the points required would be the another input field. So super V. Go, and then just scale it down. Move it over here. That, put it like so. There you go. And now every time I want to add a command, when I press this button, it should pop. The script, what it should do is basically get this, or I guess get this position and just like pop it down. So this new command is now going to go into lap in the prefabs folder. So if I delete this right now, if I save this and I go bop right into the content, there you go. Boom. Another one, but this one should be moving down. See? Down? No. I'll just moving down. By how much? I have no clue. Actually, I can check that out. Oh, that's good spacing. I like that. That's good spacing. If this one's 125 and that one's 85, by 40 units. 40 units. Let's. Okay. Boom. So now what we are going to do is basically make that add command button work. Click project. Let's go to assets, right click, create. C-sharp. No. This should be in the scripts. Right click, boom. Oh. We'll make that later. Let's just do the add command. Add command UI. But first, let me go to the bathroom. I'll be right back. What the fuck? What's wrong? Hey, Javi.
Yeah.
You wanna play Rocket League in a little bit?
Sure.
Okay. Hold. Yeah, I'm like super fucking tired right now. I've only been streaming for an hour and a half, but like I'm dying, bro. I'm like super tired. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna leave it here. The next thing we're gonna do when we come back is let me fix that. When we come back is when I press this add command button, I'm able to do this, and then once I say finish profile or save profile, I'll press the save button. This goes away, and then essentially it should be creating a file with all of that shit. Let's delete this just to make sure that it's like fresh or whatever the fuck. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate that. I'll see y'all later. Peace. Tomorrow, probably stream around like 2 p.m. Central Standard Time. I need to upload this stream and the last stream. I don't know why Twitch hasn't uploaded it yet, but we'll figure it out. Anyways, thanks guys. Appreciate it. Bye. Fuck you, no. How about fuck you, yes.